DJ Marquez, and welcome to Team Bro. And if you want to join it, all you gotta do is hit the subscribe button. And today we're gonna be doing only pistol challenge on Pixel Greedy. It's almost school, and I am gonna be posting videos then, but if you guys want to keep up with my videos, I'm gonna only be doing them at 7 o'clock. Cause if some of you guys go to sleep at 7 o'clock, that's freaking lame. My parents let me go to sleep at 10 o'clock because the schools said you should go to sleep at 10, which is a great thing because back then I used to love watching Bunk. And no, I don't actually have this gun. It's rented. But these are the guns that I'm really wanting. Let's go. Wait. We're gonna go to my favorite map, Newtown. Then we're gonna go somewhere else. And I'm going to be showing you guys a tunnel that you can use to sneak attack someone. Yes, I'm watching Benson. And I did see a new Dragon Ball Z episode. Yeah, I wonder, I haven't seen a 6th universe in a long time in Dragon Ball Z. But I really want to do that. He's so stupid, man. You can just sneak from the behind. So you just might want to go over here. Boom, a tunnel. But you don't trust me. But when you first go through here, it's gonna be kind of creepy. Boom, you have a dead body. Let's go kill some people. Alright, that's her first kill. Dang it, he freaking caught me with that one. I don't look behind because I'm getting assassinated all the time. Yes! Yes! I was so lucky. And another one. But our supply, like that machine gun, that counts. I'm not sure if my grenade. Back. Watch out. That was supposed to be a trick shot. Alright, I got this dude. Newbie. That's why I wanted to not be a newbie. Right? You got some hard people. Come on, one more shot. Yes, yes. Dude, I needed one more shot to kill that dude. And we only close to killing. Made time. My life was depending on this round. Ooh, level 21. Guys, I know you guys see this. Where is the gun? We're so close to that beautiful thing. We're so close to it. Not bad. You guys, so we put that on. Deploy. No! Hurry up! Yes! Already got that kill. Come on, protect me, man. Whoa. They didn't protect me, but it's going on down there. Now it's going on down here. Load this. Come on. You want to come and get it? Come on. Let's go. We're taking over this place. Alright guys, we're out of ammo. Wait. It's time to use the freaking grenade. That's my distraction. Come on, hurry up, because I need you to protect me. Oh yeah, there's always that ammo package in that bus. Oh, there it is, man. I think 5 bullets ain't gonna do me nothing. Oh! Yes, I got 15. This gun is holding me back. They really want to kill me, guys. But I got some bad news. You're not gonna kill me. I keep on forgetting. But luckily I didn't kill no one with it. Because I will be disqualified from this challenge. Come on. 3 bullets. Whoever died, yes. Alright, guys. Yes.
Granny still outside?
No,
Where she at?
he walked to Walmart.
Well, Papa.
He's outside in the garage. Guys, I need to freaking buy some better guns.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright guys, that's the end of the video. And I'm gonna give a shout out. Pause it. Subscribe to Substate Strikes. Because all he wants is 50 or 100. Just get him as far as you can, guys. And I gotta give another shout out. Hurry up and I gotta give another shout out to Game with CJ. He just got 30 subscribers. And please go subscribe to those people. And whoever was the last subscriber to subscribe to Substate Strikes, you'll get a shout out because he got 20